Thinking about installing a new AC? Don't risk poor performance, high energy bills, or constant repairs with a bad installation. At Rajpaul Air Conditioning, we specialize in expert AC installations, ensuring your system is properly sized, sealed, and set up for maximum efficiency and comfort. A properly installed AC means better cooling, lower costs, and a longer lasting system. Why settle for less? Let the pros handle it. Call or DM us today for a professional installation done right. Rajpaul Air Conditioning, keeping you cool from day one.